Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are non-subscribed. And click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. There, now I have my mandatory things YouTube needs me to say out of the way. Let's get into today's dish. It is a chili lime steak quesadilla. What we have here is, in a bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon or so of lime zest, about the zest of 1 lime. And then I'm going to be adding the juice of said lime. All right, and then it's time for our spice mix. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ancho chili powder. If you cannot find ancho chili powder, just 4 teaspoons of chili powder then. A teaspoon of smoked paprika, or regular paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin, a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and then a optional teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now I'm adding, as I said, about the 2 tablespoons or 1 lime's worth of juice. And then we want to have 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Then just grab a whisk and give this a nice little mix. And then we want to pour our marinade on our meat. I'm using about 1 pound of thin cut top round steak. And then we want to marinate this for about 2 hours at least. You can do this overnight, obviously. Squeeze out all the air, make sure that marinade coats the meat. And yeah, see you in a minute. Okay, now let's make the lime sour cream. Got about 8 ounces of sour cream in a bowl, followed by a clove of minced garlic. Now we're going to need the zest of a lime, and then the juice of said lime as well. And then tiny whisk it and leave it in the fridge until we're ready to make our quesadillas. And then on a griddle, want to cook our steak to about medium. Given the thinness of these cuts, about 30 or so seconds aside. Flip, 30 more seconds, flip, flip. You get the drill. You can go rarer if you like, but for fajitas, quesadillas, I prefer about medium. Okay, let's make our quesadilla. As you can see here, I got a tortilla shell, and I'm just adding a generous amount of that lime sour cream that we made. Add some of our steak. Add our cheese blend, which is a combination of pepper jack, Monterey Jack, and cheddar. And then just fold it over and let's get it to the griddle. And butter one side, put it down on the griddle, butter the other one, and then give this a couple of minutes to get all toasty and golden brown. Looking for something a little bit like that. Okay, last thing to do is just carve this up into slices, and that's that. So chili lime steak quesadilla. Done.